Today we will discuss the topic forensic audit. So my first question to the sir is, what is forensic audit?
Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Forensic audit has two words. Forensic means that it is done in a laboratory. It comes from a science. So in forensic audit, we detect a fraud in a scientific method. We try to find out what wrong has happened and who has done it. So it is a scientific test or techniques to investigate a fraud or a wrong. This is forensic audit.
Okay. How one can be expert in forensic audit?
See, the expertise, whether it is forensic or some other area, like it is said that any expert was beginner on one day. So the forensic, there is a certificate course by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So one should do that. The Google is the biggest knowledge of the storehouse of the knowledge. Then there are books on the subject. There are YouTube videos. There is an international course called CFE, Certified Fraud Examiner, conducted by ACFE, Association of Certified Fraud Examiners. And the one thing which I always say, that first a person becomes expert in the mind and then in the reality. So chartered accountant who want to become expert in forensic audit has to feel, I like to call this as a forensic investigation. So has to first feel in the mind that I am a global expert, I am a world expert, and start working on that.
So how one can get the work in forensic audit?
This technology of getting the work will apply in all field in the similar manner. So in forensic, where the fraud or wrong will happen, normally it happens in large organization. First, I would like to elaborate a little bit on fraud, because before I say how to have the opportunities available, there is something called fraud triangle. I have remembered this by the word POR, P-O-R. So there is a pressure to an individual. So suppose if somebody's spouse says, ki, I want this diamond necklace, or there is a medical emergency of a large amount. Then second is the opportunity that one sees, at this place he can have a theft. And third is a rationalization, that, okay, this organization has achieved the asset in a wrong manner. So if I take part of it, it is justified. Then Mahatma Gandhi ji said that God has given for the need of everyone, but not for the greed. So fraud happens because there is a greed. So, and there is a study by Association of Certified Fraud Examiners that every organization, 5% of profit goes in fraud. You may have 100% internal control and things like that. Then the legislations, like, under section 134 of the Companies Act 2013, where internal financial control is defined under 134(5)(e) explanation. So prevention of fraud measures are mandatory. So when we talk of forensic audit, the fraud prevention, which is the major work, like we always say, ki prevention is better than cure. So fraud prevention is one area of opportunity. Then wherever the fraud happens, then under the Information Technology Act, under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, there are certain provisions of where the mandatory investigation is required. The banks, the insurance companies, when we make a study of fraud whenever the human life economy began, if we see the kingdoms in the olden days, and when we see the movies and we read about the history, there were frauds. There were frauds later on also. There is a fraud today also. With all the technology, all the corporate governance, fraud has not come to an end, and fraud will never come to an end till human life is there. So only thing is we can reduce the intensity of fraud. So the whole economic world is the opportunity for fraud prevention and fraud, because everybody needs a fraud prevention measures. And if the wrong has happened, then the investigation.
Yes. And sir, how forensic audit is relevant for CAs in job?
See, as I said, 5% of the profit as a thumb rule goes in fraud. So in any economic organization or even the charitable organizations, they need to have a strong internal control. They should have a strong, fraud prevention measures. So in job also, a chartered accountant knowing fraud prevention measures will be of a great asset to the entity.
Okay. Any other guidance you want to give to the members?
See, I always feel that these new areas bring out a lot of opportunities, the sunrise opportunities. So forensic invest and everything in this world can be learned. Nothing is. So first we have to tell our mind that it is easy, I can be master of it. And then we should work on this. And every expert was beginner on the first day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for this conversation, that we should not get scared by its name itself, forensic investigation, or you call forensic audit. But every professional must try if he is interested in adopting this as one of his career option. Thank you.
One important point which I felt, the forensic investigator should also assist organization in recovering the fraud amount, from the fraudster. So we should catch the fraudster at the earliest and see under which law action can be taken or property can be seized and recovered. Thank you.
And now this can be altogether a new area for additional.
Yes.
Thank you.